Black Friday is coming early. This year, the Divi Black Friday sale will begin on Tuesday, November 25th at 7 a.m. Pacific time. Mark your calendars and show up when it starts to claim your favorite free prizes. You could also head to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday right now to save the date and enter to win a free iMac and a free Divi AI membership while you wait. What makes the Divi Black Friday sale so special? First, this is the one time we offer our most significant discounts each year. We've been topping ourselves year after year, and this year is no different. Divi Pro will be 80% off. Divi AI will be 70% off. And all current customers can rebundle their subscriptions to get up to 80% off our entire suite of services. Everything will be highly discounted, including hundreds of fantastic Divi modules, layouts, and child themes in the Divi marketplace. But those huge discounts aren't even the best part, not even close. That's because we will also be giving away thousands of products for free. Generous creators from the Divi marketplace have donated their best products and we'll be giving them away in limited batches throughout the sale. However, they won't last long, so be sure to arrive when the sale begins. Additionally, we are including the entire suite of DonDivi products at no extra cost. That means you'll get Divi menus, DonDivi Builder, and every other DonDivi product, and another free product from the marketplace for a total of 8 free products with the purchase of any Divi Pro service or bundle. The value is adding up, but we're not done yet. Our design team is also creating the ultimate Divi 5 design system, and we're giving it away for free to everyone who participates in our Black Friday sale. This design system leverages Divi 5's new features, including presets, design variables, and advanced units to create an ultimate framework for jumpstarting your Divi websites. So let's recap. First, you'll save up to 80%. Your purchase will include the full suite of DonDivi products at no additional cost. Your purchase will include a complimentary additional product from the Divi marketplace, and we're only giving away the best of the best. On top of that, you'll get the exclusive Divi 5 design system built by our own design team to help jumpstart your Divi 5 projects for free. Additionally, if you are rebundling, you receive all of this while also reducing your current subscription cost. So you pay us less than you do now, and you get a ton of free stuff. It's a no-brainer, but you have to show up on Black Friday. Head to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday right now to save the date. We're also giving away an iMac and 50 free Divi AI memberships while we count down to the big day.